Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error code 279 within Roblox. So sometimes when you try to play Roblox and you're in a game and the error code 279 pops up in your screen, which is very annoying. Now there are a few ways to fix this. So this error code looks something like this. So as you can see, failed to connect to the game, ID is 17, connection attempt failed. So error code 279, and as you can see, the only option is to leave the game. Now this is quite annoying, but there's a way to fix this. So the first way is to check your internet connection. Do you have a Wi-Fi connection, or are you playing on your mobile data? It's important to switch to a Wi-Fi connection if you have a Wi-Fi connection, because it's important to have quite a good Wi-Fi connection, because on bad Wi-Fi you cannot play Roblox, or you cannot play the higher Wi-Fi internet connection needed games. So basically just check if you have an internet connection. If you do not have an internet connection, or if you have an internet connection but it's not working, it's still not working, and you still get that annoying error, you can go and install a VPN for free. So as you can see, this is NordVPN. I will leave a link down in the description and in the pinned comment. So basically you need to go to the link to get a discount of 70% and 3 months totally for free. And basically you can use it, and then if you've used it, and you can play Roblox again. You can ask your money back totally for free. As you can see, 30-day money back guarantee, and it's the best VPN in the game. As you can see, when you compare this to ExpressVPN, PrivateVPN, Proton VPN, and Pure VPN, this is the best VPN in the game, and it's so good for playing Roblox, because you need to have a strong connection, and NordVPN has the strongest connection of all the VPNs out there. So basically just install a VPN. If it's still not working after you've checked your Wi-Fi, you can just install a VPN. One thing you can still try is uninstalling Roblox and then install it again. It's important that you need to know your password, otherwise you can't log in, of course. But that's a way of fixing the error if it's possible. Otherwise the best way actually is just by installing NordVPN. You also get of course, just other great benefits, not only for Roblox but for other times when you're using the internet. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.